You're watching how Leap. Let's use Google Play on your iPhone. The Google Play Store app is not available for iPhone, but you can access Google Play's other services to use Google Play Movies and TV or Google Play Books. Download those specific apps from the Apple App Store. For Google Play Music, it has been replaced by YouTube Music. Download the YouTube Music app. To access your purchased movies, books, or music, simply log into these apps with your Google account. For the Google Play Store's app and game library, you cannot download Android apps on iPhone. However, you can visit the Google Play Store website in your iPhone's Safari browser to browse content. But you can only install apps on Android devices. To manage your Google Play account settings or subscriptions, open Safari, go to play.google.com and log in. From there you can review your payment methods, subscription history, and wishlist. Many Google services like Google Drive, Google Photos, and Gmail have their own iOS apps available. In the App Store, for more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.